Yeah, we got you in the radio. You're making a flying trip up to Tewkesbury tonight, Roger.
Okay, Colin, I got most of that. Somebody doubled up with you for a moment, but I think you said I was S5 to Tewkesbury, is that correct?
Yeah, I lost you then. You got stamped on.
Yeah, am I S5 to you, Colin, in Tewkesbury? Come back?
Yeah, Roger.
Okay, Colin, understood. We may have a stamper with us, I don't know. Or it could be someone on the side there. Is there a QSK on the side trying to come in, come back?
I heard somebody as well, Chris, but I don't know if she's coming back. Is there any QSKs? Come on.
You got W1 listening on the side, Pontypool, Wales.
Okay, stand by. On the side, 24 Wales, I think they said. Can you hear me, over?
Yeah, Roger, you got Whiskey 1, location Pontypool, Wales. I'm just flicking through and just having a listen to you. I just thought I'd give you a call there. I can hear all you stations over there in Gloucestershire.
Okay, Whiskey 1 station, that's no problem at all. You've got Ken 2 here, Golf Bravo 18, with 3 more other stations on the side. Chris, can you hear that Whiskey 1 station?
Yes, I copy that Whiskey 1 station. Whiskey 1, do you copy Chris the Tarman?